What's up, millionaires? It's been a while I haven't spoken about this guy. So if you see this guy here, it's been a while. The Alpha Plug and Play Patrix Pro. All right, it's been a while. You guys haven't heard me talking about Patrix Pro, or it's been a while. You guys haven't seen me actually trading live with Patrix Pro as I used to do. Why? Because Patrix Pro is on its own now. Patrix Pro is selling itself now. Patrix Pro has got into that system where people are referring it like crazy because it's the most viral Forex robot now, as you can say. So I don't need to even come and tell you what's Patrix Pro. Your friend is going to tell you what's Patrix Pro. Maybe you're going to hear it from even your church, or maybe you're going to hear it from your school, or from your village, or from your hood. Patrix Pro is now a brand on its own. Patrix Pro is viral, and that's why you guys don't even hear me talking about it again. But it's obvious that this is 2024 and Patrix Pro has gotten through a lot of involvement, and now Patrix Pro is 100% plug and play. That means you plug it on your computer and that is it, bro. Whether you just started trading yesterday or been trading for 10 years, this robot is customized more than 70 parameters. That's the most robust Forex robot you can think of. More than 70 parameters, 70 parameters that you can customize to fit your need. So let's go through Patrix Pro review for 2024. So that I'm going to be taking you guys through the evolvement of Patrix Pro, showing you guys the different versions and the ultimate version, which is this version, the ultimate plug and play, award-winning. If you guys must have been watching my videos, go on my channel, you'll see this robot has won more than 4 different awards. All right, Patrix Pro has won more than 4 different awards that you can see on my channel. That's why you see here, it says the Plug and Play award-winning Forex robot. So what is Patrix Pro? Patrix Pro is a Forex robot which I founded about 5 years ago, 2019. And it only got popular in 2021. It got popular in 2021 when I started YouTube, and I had a live session with students in my Discord. Back then it was only Patreon and Discord. So when I had a live session with these students, they saw this robot I was using. Back then it was just Godlove Sniper, right? So they saw this robot, they were curious, they're like, Godlove, what's on your computer? We can see this robot is opening trades. I ignored it the first time, but they didn't give up. They kept asking, and the next time I told them this robot is called Godlove Sniper, and the algorithm behind does the blah blah blah. They were very curious. They kept asking, and I was like, okay, let me make this robot public. Let me also give it to these students so that the more they are using, I'm going to be able to have a lot of data to keep backtesting this guy. So what happened? I gave it to them, and when I was giving it to them, I was thinking of a name I can put on that robot that will make it sound like a robot, right? So I thought of different names. Then I said, okay, this is for my Patreon members. Why not just call it Patrex? You see, that was where the name Patrex came into play. So I'll say, let me call it Patrex. But now, to make it a little bit more robust, let's sound like a robot, let me call it Patrix Pro. So when I call it Patrix Pro, and I told my students, this is Patrix Pro, this is how it works. It went, people were like, that's the best name. Then they started using it, they started spreading the news. That was when Patrix Pro went viral. And then after that, after a couple of months, people saw it even on YouTube. They started asking, then I created a website. It went public. It went public, and 3 years after that, this guy has gone through more than 8 different revisions. I have a team of 2 developers that are behind this guy every day, making sure he's up and running without any issue. So Patrix Pro is a Forex automated robot which is powered by AI. I think this should be the first meta quote robot which is powered by AI. This guy has almost about 5 different strategies embedded, combined with AI to give you a solid signal. This guy has gone through different revisions. Like here, let me show you this. You can see it. I think this was version 7 or something. So on this version, we had 2 parts of Patrix Pro, right? We had the first part where Patrix Pro will be able to generate the signal and then give you. Remember on the previous part, Patrix Pro was just there. You have to do your analysis, and then you choose the market direction. Then Patrix Pro will go inside and manage your trade and manage your risks and remove all the human errors, remove all confluences, all emotions. That's the importance of trading with a trading robot. So Patrix Pro used to do that. And then with the evolvement, we said like, okay, since you guys kept asking like, how can Patrix Pro not analyze the market for us? Now we came up with this version. I think this was version 6 or 7, where on this one, it was in 2 parts. Patrix Pro used to come in 2 parts, where the first part will be able to analyze the trade and then what? And then send to the second part. So we used to have Patrix Pro signal generator. Then here we used to have Patrix Pro executor. So this guy will analyze. You can see he's analyzing the chart. Then when he gets a signal combined with AI, he will then channel to this guy, Patrix Pro executor, and Patrix Pro executor would execute the trade. Remember, you have full control on the back end. You have different parameters you can choose. But people were like, no, this we want something that we don't want to stress. We want to plug. We don't even want to. We don't even want it in two parts. We don't even want to choose whether it should trade or not. We want a robot where we should have a button that is 100% automated. If we put that button on, it should automatically just start trading. So now and again, it took us almost about 6 months, and we finally came up with the final version, which is this guy, and this guy here became plug and play. Anytime you put it on the computer, you just have to choose if you want it to be 100% automated or semi-automated, all right? Because even if it's not 100% automated, remember, the robot is still trading, and that's still part of our algorithmic trading, right? So it's still automated, still robotic trading. That's why you have 100% where you don't have to do anything, and semi-automated for advanced traders who want to have some control over the robot. If you can come here, we just have some few features of the robot where you see your all-in-one Forex robot. 100% automated, all right? This was when the final version came, and then we have 100% automated, best Forex, private and prop firm robot. So this robot is accepted by all prop firms, even Lionheart funding program. The good news is we have both MT4 and MT5 version. All right, we used to have only MT5 for almost about 3 years, but just about a month ago, we finally came up with the MT4 version of MetaTrader 4. So you can use it on your private brokerage account, or you can use it on any prop firm, because Patrix Pro doesn't have illegal strategies like grid trading, like Martinga, like hedging, like tick trading, arbitrage trading, all these strategies that prop firm don't want. Patrix Pro doesn't have any of those strategies, all right? It's a very legal, have legal strategies on the back end, and you can use it on any prop firm, including Lionheart funding program, including even my prop firm. You can still use Lionheart funding, you can still use Patrix Pro. Then state-of-the-art algorithm. That's why this guy has gotten almost about 4 different awards. Why? Because it has the state-of-the-art algorithm. Then risks and money management. This robot will be able to do what? Will be able to manage all the risks and money for you. You don't have to be stressing, because this robot is going to eliminate all the emotions and manage your risks and emotions, and manage your risks and money. Then news and spread filter. So this robot is also able to filter the news and know where the news is very high, and know when it should be able to stay out of the market. Then this side, this is just about Lionheart funding program. That's about Godlove properties, real estate. And then let's come to my office so that I can be able to share you guys my screen for you guys to see a couple of things on my computer, right? How Patrix Pro works, how Patrix Pro is able to open trades, so that you guys will be able to have a feel of how Patrix Pro works. You can see this is the door of my office. You can see we train, so Godlove University is going to train you. We fund, Lionheart funding program is going to fund you, and then we automate. Patrix Pro is going to come in to automate your trading. So you see, this is just like the hub of what we related to Forex, because we do at Godlove Group's headquarters. We do a lot. We're even into real estate. We're even into a lot of things. But what is Forex related, you can see right here. We train. That's why I have Godlove University, having more than 5,000 students. We train them how to trade Forex. Then we fund Lionheart funding program, which is also live. Just on the first 3 weeks of trading, we've already surpassed 3,000 active traders. And then we have Patrix Pro, more than 3 years old, having thousands of traders who are using it on a daily basis. Then with that, come to my office. Let me share you some stuff on the computer. On my computer, I'm going to be as fast as possible so that I can show you guys all the features and parameters of Patrix Pro before the end of this video. And I'm also going to try as much as possible to show you guys how Patrix Pro open trades in real life, how you can also use it on a prop firm, and also set files. This is the only robot that also comes with set files, both MT4 and MT5 set files. So to even begin, if you come on my screen, you can just go here. You can see here we have Patrix Pro. So to go to the Patrix Pro website, you can just check the link below, or just go to Godlove University /Patrix Pro. All right, Godlove University /Patrix Pro, or just write on Google. Just write on Google, Patrix Pro. And the first page that's going to pop up is going to be for Patrix Pro. Just write it on Google. We're everywhere. That's why I said I wasn't even talking about Patrix Pro, or I said don't even talk about Patrix Pro, because Patrix Pro has gotten to that level where it's automatically selling itself. It's working through a referral system where this person uses it, makes money, go and tell this person tells this person. You want to see now like a whole community. All right, so just write it on Google, Patrix Pro. You see the whole robot, or check the link on the video description. So if you come, you can see this beautiful website. Remember, Patrix Pro is part of Godlove University, right? So if you come here under the Patrix Pro page, you can see this beautiful website where it talks about Patrix Pro 100% automated AI edition. 100% automated, then the award-winning best AI Forex robot, having more than blah, 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 blah. You can just take your time, read and enjoy everything about Patrix Pro, how it works. This website will explain to you how it works. And then you can see these logos right here, and then choose your plans. Talking about the plans, we have 3 plans. We have the monthly, the 3 months, and the yearly license plan. The 1 month goes for $199, the 3 months goes for $399, and the 1 year license goes for $999. Remember, this is the price as of the moment I'm recording this video. Tomorrow you might be surprised, you come here and see these prices have doubled. Why? Because Patrix Pro is worth even more than this. You can just come down, you see for each package you buy, you have full 1 month license if you're going for 1 month, or if you are going for 1 year, you have full 1 year license, premium access to 25 videos. If you can see here on the dashboard, can you see this? Anytime you buy Patrix Pro, you get access to this dedicated dashboard where you can even watch videos. You can't download the robot without first watching the video. So this is the first robot where you must watch the videos before you can download the robot, or you must first be certified on how to use algorithmic trading before you can even download the robot. So you just come here, it's just a curriculum, you just go through the videos. You can see from what is Patrix Pro, how to install Patrix Pro, how to backtest, how to place your first trade, Patrix Pro, making money on a live account, blah, 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 everything you need to write down to set files. You can see Patrix Pro set files, everything is there from the start to the finish. And then when you finish, that's when you can see, it says here, access to 25 step-by-step videos, tutorial guide. Then free access to Discord community. This is our Discord community. And if you can come to Discord community, you can see this is the one for Patrix Pro, all right? Patrix Pro. So once you also buy, you have free access to this. You can see these are people sharing testimonials. Let me show you. You can't even scroll and pass to. You can see this is screenshot of people making money. Screenshot of people making money with Patrix Pro right on Discord. You can join even for free now. You can join the Discord community for Patrix Pro for free even as we speak. You can see more than 7,000 members on Discord. If you can go up, you can see that's a new version which was just announced, Patrix Pro MT4. Just go up. I want to show you guys, see how much you can see. I forgot what it was yesterday. See what Harrison is saying. I forgot what it was yesterday, but now it's 42,000. This is his private account. He said, oh yeah, from 37,000 to 47. From 37,000 to 42,000 overnight. This is on Discord. This is on Discord. You can hear from other people who are using the robot. Then if you go up, see this person, Great Britain pound AUD, almost about 15,000. That's Discord, bro. If I keep going up, you can see these are all images that are loading. All right, and they are resting as we speak. So that's our Discord that you also be able to hear from what other traders are saying. Then full trade automated management, risk and money management, robotic trading certification, tip, tricks, and money management, 24/7 live support. That's why you can see here on our website, we have live support. If you have any issue at any point in time, it's just one button away. You just click here, someone is going to be there to assist you. All right. Then if you go down, these are live testimonials from people who are using the robot. People say, no, your robot, these are live. We have this more than 40, I think more than about 82 of these recorded and just put on our archive. People record a video to say this is our testimony, then they send to us. This is it live on our website. You can see most of these people, you even know them. Just that the website, if we put too many videos, it will make the website to be too heavy. So it's going to make the user friendly not to work. If not, we could have put even 100 of this video testimonial. Then all in one Forex robot, you can come here. You see backtesting, see $1,000 to $22,000. You can see this is almost about $5,000 to $48,000. You can go down and I post even the backtesting even the backtesting parameters, the exact parameters that are used on that particular trade. See this particular trade it went from what? It went for almost about $5,000 to about $1 million. This is the same. You can see the equity curve. Can you see this equity curve? Everything is just there. You take your time, you read. If you want to even practice some of this, you can see. You can just click here. You'll be able to see the backtesting. You can see backtesting parameters. You see the exact parameters that I was using on this trade that you can also use. If you want to see how the robot made $223,000 from a 100,000 deposit, or from a 1,000 deposit, $1,000 to $223,000. Just click there. All the parameters are there. You can see trade entries. Everything is there. Chart progress. You can click on chart progress. You'll be able to see everything that happened. You can do that on a couple of pairs. You see, that was for Great Britain Pound AUD. You can come here even on indices on NASDAQ. This one went from $4,000 to $91,000. You can toggle these backtesting parameters, stress and correlation. I show if you are someone who is into statistics, you understand stress and correlation. You can see the robot is able to handle the stress and correlation very, very well. And the correlation coefficient for this particular robot is very, very effective. The Sharpe ratio is also very, very nice. So if you're someone who is into robotic trading, then you understand some of these terminologies. Then plug and play, latest version, just tells you a little bit about the latest version, talk about blah, blah, blah. You can go, guys, go through the website. We have all the details on the website that will help you to be able to know better about this awesome robot. You see, best prop firm robot. You can see these are all screenshots about me using it. This is when my Forex fund used to be up, the funded trader, funded next, all of that. I've used it. Even Lionheart funding program, the certificate is also going to be here so that you guys can see. You can also use it on Lionheart funding program. So that's just that about the website. And when you buy Patrix Pro from the website, remember you're going to have access to your dashboard. Your dashboard looks exactly like this. You watch the videos and at the end you can see download Patrix Pro MT4 or download Patrix Pro MT5 if you are using MT4 MT5. Then it also comes with set files. Download set files are already there. Just plug and play. You can load the set files and ready to go. Good. So let's dive on the inside of Patrix Pro on MT5 so that I can be able to show you few parameters. Anytime you come to MT5, when you install the robot on your computer, the robot comes with videos that will guide you on how to install it. When you install it on your computer, you have it here. You can see Patrix Pro. I'm going to be using the MT5 version. You have Patrix Pro MT5 right here. What you do is you make sure your algo trading is on. That's the first thing. Make sure algo trading is on. Once you press on that, the next thing is just to drag and drop on your computer. So let's just say we want to trade gold. As simple as that, you can see this is our gold chart. Let's plug in Patrix Pro and I'll be able to explain the parameters to you guys. You can see here, I like to always confirm, allow algo trading. Then here, this is where the magic happens. Can you guys see the parameters? You can't even see the end, right? This is where the magic happens. So on the parameter sections, remember I told you guys this robot is a robot you can fine tune it to be anything. Here you can see auto trade mode. Auto trade mode, you can turn this robot on 100% auto. I'm going to show you guys 100% auto, meaning the only thing you just have to choose is your lot size, because there's no way I can recommend the lot size for you. So that's the only thing you just need to choose here. The lot size you're going to be using and your trades per signal. That's it. The robot is going to do everything for you, do all the analysis, determine if the trend is strong or not, if the market is consolidating, if it's a good time to enter, if the market session is coming, if the news event, the robot will do everything for you and place the trade on your behalf. So let's just say I want to trade, or if you don't want the 100% auto version, you have what they call what? The semi-auto. So semi-auto is when you can actually do your own analysis by yourself. Maybe you say, okay, no, I don't trust the analysis from this robot, even though there's no way analysis can beat the one from a robot. The robot has 5 strategies combined with AI, so your analysis can beat this. But let's just say you are a super trader and your analysis can beat this. Then you come here, you go on auto trade, and you put this on semi-auto. Just click there, you can see inside here, it has you see now semi-auto, meaning you do your analysis on your own, and then you just come here, you bring in the robot, and you can choose what you tell the robot what to do. The robot will just keep buying or keep selling or do exactly what you want that particular robot to do. Even if you are not on your computer, the robot is going to keep doing that. Even if you are sleeping, the robot doesn't get tired. Even if you don't know how to manage your money, the robot can be able to pick up at that point in time. So all of this is explained on the back end once you have access to the robot. You can see there's no way I can go through all this. The video is going to be about 2 hours. So there's no way I can go through all these parameters. On the back end, there are videos that explain each of these parameters to you guys. All right. Then another key one, how to use the robot on a prop firm. You can see on the prop firm, we even have close by daily drawdown. So let's just say your prop firm is offering a 5% daily drawdown. Then you come here and you click this one and you turn it to true. You turn it on. Meaning if you put 4.6% here, you are telling the robot that, okay, if this market doesn't go my way, which is going to happen sometimes, if this market doesn't go my way, then if my account is drawn down to 4.6%, stop trading for that day so that I shouldn't breach my daily drawdown. You see, so the robot is able to handle that. Then you have the option to tell the robot what to do if that target is hit. So you can tell the robot to pause until EA start manually, or you can tell the robot to do what? To continue the next day. So most of the time I used to just do what? Put it on continue the next day. So that once I hit this target, then the next day the robot will wait. The robot knows the time. The robot can be able to time to know when the chart on the prop firm are going to reset. So the robot will wait until the next day, and then it will start opening trades again. The robot is able to know that. It's able to track without any problem. The same thing goes on the winning side. So all of this you can see. Close by profit, equity target. Maybe you're trading with a prop firm. Let's just say you have a $100,000 prop firm account. Then you just turn this on, and if you see equity triggered amount, means if you put here, let's just say phase 1 on $100,000 is 8%. Then I'll just come here and I'll put $108,000. Can you see that? $108,000. Meaning at any point in time, my equity hits $108,000. The robot will automatically close all my trades, and boom, I'll only come and see that I've already passed the challenge. I'll only come and see messages like this on the screen or notifications like this, because this robot is able to synchronize with your phone. Once you buy it, I show you how you can link it with your phone. Once any of these signals or targets are hit, the signal is sent directly to your mobile phone. So you can just sit and you see a notification that looks like this. Then let's guys, the parameters are just going to take us for the whole day, but let's just go lot size, trades per signal. Let's just say you want the robot to be giving you 2 signals after every, or 2 trades per every signal. Then you choose it there. Fix a lot size mode. You can, if you want the robot to be changing the lot size as you're winning or losing, then the robot is able to do that. You just come here, you switch to variable lot size. So variable lot size, the more you're in profit, the robot will automatically increase your lot size according to your margin level, right? And if you're losing, the robot will automatically reduce your lot size. Can you see that? So that you can always have a good equity curve. So that's what they call the variable lot size. Most of the time I just use fixed lot size, and all of this is self-explanatory when you get the robot. So this is gold, and this is my private account I'm using to record this video. So let's just say I want to trade on this account, right? And I'm going to be using the fixed lot size. Lot size is 0.1 trades per signal. Let me put even 5 trades per signal. It's a $10,000 account. And what happened? Let's go up here and let's put it on 100% auto. Since I want you guys to see what's happening, we'll put it on 100% auto. And then upper TF, let's use 1 hour time frame as the upper TF, and the lower TF, since the robot is candlestick dependent, let's use the 5-minute time frame. Strength per signal is 1. And talking about the strength per signal, if you choose 2 as your strength per signal, then it means the robot is going to tighten a lot of points. The robot is going to be using a lot of point of confluences before it can give you a signal. So if you choose 2 trades per signal and the upper TF is H1, it means the robot is going to be looking to H4 to combine, to confirm that the market is on the same trend on the H1 and the H4 before the robot can take the signal. But if the signal strength is just 1, it means the robot is just going to base the analysis on that time frame of reference, which is just the upper time frame, which is H1. More of this is explained on the back end. We've already choose our time frame of reference. We've already choose our strength per signal. We've already choose our lot size. You can even come here. You can use trailing stop. You can choose the day you want the robot to trade. You can choose the notifications you want. A lot of parameters. Parameters alone will take us at least 2 hours. Once I've already done that, voila! I just click on OK. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's go. Boom. That's it. The robot is on my chart, and within 5 minutes, this robot, not even up to 5 minutes, depending on what the robot is analyzing, you should expect to see this robot start trading. Then anytime you put it on the chart, you can see here we have a panel. Remember I told you guys this was my $10,000 private account, and here the robot expires every 30 days. Then you need to update. It's like every software, right? You update it after every 30 days. That's why here you can see the expiry date right down to the seconds, all right? So that if you are using the robot and the expiry date is coming near, then you know you just need to log back to your dashboard and download the new version, all right? Then positions, I don't have any position up as we say, because why? The robot is still analyzing the market. When the robot picks trade, before we will be able to start seeing positions. So you let the market do its thing, right? Then we have margin level, trailing stop, projection. You can see profit loss. I'm not in any position. That's why profit loss is like that. And then balance and equity. So my balance is still $10,091, and my equity is still $10,091 because I don't have any position up and running. You can add more buy positions here. You can add more sell position. You can close all. Close all button, meaning if you click on it, all the trades will automatically close. You can even pause the robot. You can see the date right there. So that's the panel. It's like you're sitting in a plane, in the cockpit of a plane, and you can see the whole panel in front of you. This is where you see that panel, and this panel is totally movable. You can move it anywhere you want. This is the challenge we had, and it took us almost about 2 months to make this thing flexible like this. Voila! This is the point that people have even tried. Even big banks. Remember, banks are using Patrix Pro. Patrix Pro is not only used by retail traders alone. Even banks are using Patrix Pro. So this is the option where my developers have been approached many times to tell them how they could do this. Because what happened? Immediately you drop Patrix Pro on any chart, Patrix Pro is going to, within milliseconds, analyze all time frames to display exactly what is happening on that time frame. You can see from the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame to the 15 minute time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. Patrix Pro can tell you the exact thing that is happening. And remember, on the monthly, you can see the market is buying. Weekly, the market is buying. 4 hour, the market is buying. Daily, the market is 1 hour buying, 30 minute buying, and it's just on the lower time frames that the market is selling. Meaning, if you're someone like me, I can already know that the overall market direction for gold is a bullish trend. So this is just a pullback and a good time for us to enter a buy. I can already know what this robot is going to do, because you can see overall the market is bullish on gold, and on 15, 5 minutes and 1 minute, this should just be a retracement in the market. Meaning this robot, the reason we haven't gotten trade is because the robot is looking for a good point of entry, and I guess it's going to be buying. Not even guessing, our time frame of reference was a 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame you can see the market is buying, the market is bullish. Meaning the robot now on the lower time frame, which is a 5 minute time frame, will only be looking for what? For buy trade until the signal changes again on the 1 hour time frame. Remember, the robot is doing this automatically without your intervention. You can let it run for even 10 years, the robot will just keep doing this. When the trend is able to change, the robot will detect that the trend has changed, close all your trade, and start trading in the direction of the trend. This robot only trades in the direction of the trend. So that's that. We haven't gotten any trades on gold because I guess this is Easter Monday. The robot is still analyzing the market. Let's allow it to do its thing. Let's open it again on 2 or 3 currency pairs just so we can actually see the robot opening trade. Let's go to Great Britain Pound JPY. This is still another awesome pair, and it's just drag and drop. Remember, drag and drop. If I just drag and drop, you can see right here, we have all the same settings that were up. Trades per signal, we can even put 5 trades per signal. Lot size here is 0.1, and we click on OK. All right, you don't even need to select time frame or do anything or whatsoever. No, the robot is going to select all of that for you. Just put it there, let the robot do its thing. So I want to put it on about 3 or 4 different currency pairs so that the market will be able to do its thing, and you should be able to have at least one that you can see the market is really consolidating. That's why you see the robot is not taking trades as we speak, because the robot is still looking for good opportunities. So I'm just going to use even 2 trades per signal, just the way it is, right? Good. And then let's go again to Great Britain Pound. Let's go to Euro JPY and still add another position. You can see what the robot did there. I can already see what the robot did right there on your screen. Then let's go again, another currency pair. I want us to put it on 5 currency pairs. Remember, I'm using a small lot size, so that's why I'm playing around with it like this. I wouldn't be doing this if I was using a 1 lot size, right? So always use a small lot size. The robot is going to be able to manage and compound your lot size if you are in profit. Okay, so let's just drag this and drop, and then just put this on trades per signal. Let's put 5 trades per signal. Click on OK. Good. So we have it again on Great Britain pound, on Euro. We have it on Euro USD, and on the 1 hour time frame, I can already see the market is selling. So I should expect the sell trade to be open on what? On Euro USD. So let's just wait, guys. If you can open, let's open our terminal so that you guys can see. With good. So you can see the robot is already opening trades. The robot has already opened trades on Great Britain pound USD and Euro JPY. So let's open Euro JPY just to confirm, right? Voila. And Euro JPY, you can see the robot open 2 buy trades. It means on Euro JPY, if you can go here on properties, you just right click, go on properties. It means the trades per signal was 2. What did I say? 2. Can you see the robot is going to do exactly that? And the lot size here, you can see 0.1. That's why here you can see the lot size here is 0.1. And then on Great Britain pound USD, you can see 0.1 and 5 trades. If you can go there to confirm, let's just quickly go on Great Britain pound USD. You guys will be able to. That's why it's called a robot. The robot doesn't make mistakes like a human. The robot doesn't second guess. Let's go on Great Britain pound USD. Should be somewhere. This is it right here. And on Great Britain pound USD, if we right click here again and go on properties, you can see trades per signal 5. All right, trades per signal 5, and the lot size is 0.1. Let me now interpret what's happening here, right? If you can see here, we have position 5, and in bracket, since each position is having 0.1 lot size, that's why you're having here 0.5. Since they multiply 5 times 0.1, you have it there. So you have figures, the margin level, you can see how high our margin level is. We have a trading stop, even put 1,000 or 100 pips trading stop. Then we have our profit. We are down with minus $14 because the market just opened, so you give time for the spreads to even balance, and then that's it. Everything is on your screen, and this is just going to keep updating as you go. And I can already see the market is selling because on the 1 hour time frame, you can see what the market is selling. What was our higher time frame of reference? 1 hour time frame. The 5 strategies combined with AI have been able to tell us the market is selling on the 1 hour. That's why on the 5 minute time frame, what do you see? The market is always selling. And after every 5 minutes, if the robot detects that the next candle is a bearish candle, the robot is going to pump in again 5 more trades. Just keeps doing that until when the robot starts seeing the market going in the opposite direction, the robot won't do anything. That's why I said the robot the robot trades according to the trend. Meaning, if you buy somewhere here, you choose your lower time frame of reference to be the 5 minute, and the robot starts buying here on an uptrend. After every 5 minutes, the robot is going to be checking. If it's a bullish candle, the robot will add trades according to your trades per signal. After every 5 minutes, until the next candle, if the next candle is bearish, the robot won't do anything again, because the robot can already understand the market is just breathing in, or that is a consolidation in the market. So that's why you start with lower trades per signal or lower trades per signal, because this robot has the potential to open many trades as the market is going in your favor. So that is that for this. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to just remove this on all the computer, but I already explained this to you guys. You can see the robot is trading. We are down with minus $15. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it now until by the end of the video. I want it to go in profit of about $100 or $200. Then I'll trade. I'll be able to close. Since you can see here, that's my live account. Let me not close it at this point in time. But the AI is managing everything. And let me come back again. Maybe by the end of the video, this robot should already be above $100. So now let's just do what we call backtesting, right? How to backtest the robot so that you guys can be able to see some few things. Let's just open gold. On gold, we haven't gotten a trade yet, so let's just wait for gold to do its thing. So let's just say we're trading with this robot from, let's just check on the chart to confirm. Let's just pick any date on our chart so that we can be able to confirm to see what would have really happened. So let's just say we're trading from, if we can do this from the 28th, let's just say we're trading from the 28th of February right up to the 7th of March. 28th right up to the 7th of March, that's like 1 week of trading, about 7 days of active trading, right? So let's backtest Patrix Pro to see what Patrix Pro would have done. So you just go there, right click on the robot, go to where it says test. You click on it, and then right here, what do? You put there SAUUSD, that's the currency pair we want to backtest, and here you choose your date. Remember, I said let's backtest from the 28th, right? So you just click here, goes to February. On the 28th of February is right there, right up to the 7th of March. March is right there, 7th of March. Then let's say we're having Let's just say we're having $10,000. Let's say we're having $10,000, right? We're gonna put it even on a 1,000, or let's just say you're having a $5,000 private account. Let's not even use pro firms. Let's say you're having a $5,000 private account, leverage 1:500. That's it. Just do everything. If you tick this, it means you want to actually see it opening candle by candle. But I don't want to tick it because I want us to just see the results. Let the robot do everything on the back end for us to just see the results. So after that, let's go now to input. This is where you choose your input. Remember, I'm just going to use the default, right? I'm going to use it on 100% auto. That's the first thing, 100% auto. Strength per signal, I'm going to use on 1. Higher TF is H1, lower TF is M5, 5-minute time frame. I'm going to turn this off since I'm not using it on the prop firm. Let's go down, trades per signal. Let's choose even 5 trades per signal, right? Since this is a $5,000 account. And then the lot size, we're going to use 0.01. Or let's just use 0.05. 0.05 on a $5,000 account. So you can use it, you can see the smaller lot size we are using. So let's go here, lot size 0.05 is already there. And then we're going to use trailing stop. So our stop loss is on what? Stop loss is on 200 pips. And then since we want the trade to stay for long, trailing stop in pips, we can even activate this. Let's put our trailing stop on 100 pips. All right, let's put trailing stop on 100 pips, then take profit on 200 pips, maximum spread. Remember, let's put this on 40. Remember, everything here is in terms of points. So 4 pips is the same as 40 points. So you need to understand that 200 pips is the same as 2,000 points. Since a pip is 1/10 of a point, I want it to trade 24/7. So I'm just going to leave everything that is here. And are you guys ready for us to see what happens from the 28th of March right up to from the 28th of February right up to the 7th of March. Remember, this is auto. This is 100% automatic. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to press on start, and the robot is going to be determining the trend, adding the trade, managing the lot size, everything you can do with this trade. So are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just going to click on start. Good. Now, anytime I click on start, what I go is very soon we're going to see the chart area here where you can, the graph. Now, just watch and see what's going to happen on the graph. Let me push this one up a little bit. Watch and see what's going to happen on the graph, guys. You can see the robot you can actually see the progress right down here. So let's just watch. You see what will happen on the graph. Good. Let's watch and see. So we had a drop right down to almost about 4,000. So we had a drop right down. Good. So you can see we backfired on this one. Why? Because our trades per signal were too high. Remember, the robot is opening many trades. So that's the reason why you backtest. So you just go back to your input again, and what do? You reduce the trades per signal. So let's reduce the trades per signal to even 2. All right, to even 2. That's why you'll be able to backtest to pick strategies or to pick parameters that will suit your style of trading. Now we have trades per signal on 2. Let's see if it backfired again or if that one was successful. Good. Let's go. We are already on the 28th of March. All right. We survived this one, even though we had a drawdown right down to about $3,500, but we survived. We are already going to almost about $10,000. And this is still, if you check the date right down here, this is still the 29th of what? The 29th of February. Now we are in March and we are already up with almost about $11,000 from 5,000. Let's wait and see. That's March 4th. We are already on almost about $20,000 from $5,000. You can see the equity curve. Can you see this? That's why I just choose a random date. That was just a random date I picked. That's already up to almost about $25,000. Can you see that? We are almost closing. Boom. That's almost closing. That's the 6th and that's the 7th of March. You can see can you see the equity curve? Can you see how the robot is able to handle everything? We went from what? Let's go now to backtest to actually see the result. We deposited $5,000 and we made a profit of almost about $20,000 within about 5 days of trading. Remember this, you would have fine-tuned this, maybe put different parameters, different stop losses, maybe even pick, maybe on another random date. You can see even here, see on the chart, the market kept going up, meaning this robot would have made even about $200,000 to $300,000 from a $5,000 if we continue backtesting it from this date going up from $5,000 to almost about $100,000. Tell me a robot that can do that only Patrix Pro. So this is that is that, guys, about Patrix Pro. I've shown you guys what Patrix Pro is, the history behind Patrix Pro, how you can be able to get Patrix Pro. Just check the link on the video description. Patrix Pro is the only robot that will certify you before you can see the certificate on your screen. This is a certificate that will be sent to you anytime you watch the videos before you can even start trading with the robot. Patrix Pro also comes with set files. With set files, even if you come here and you're doubting on which parameters to use, you just load in your set files. If you're an aggressive trader, let me just quickly show you guys this. If you come on my desktop, you can see there's a folder here which are called set files. If I open that set files, can you see? These are more than 10 set files that you can use for MT5 or MT4. What you do is, if you are an aggressive trader, there's a set file. If you're a conservative trader, there's a set file. If you want to trade with a prop firm, there's a set file. If you want to trade with indices, there are set files. If you want to trade even with crypto, there are set files. If you want to trade with gold, there are set files. For every currency pair in the market, you just need to load them in and you start trading. So that question, people come and say, no, which lot size can I use it? You have everything you need, bro. You have everything, and if you don't make money again with this robot, you have to blame yourself, because Godlove and his team has made it possible for you to be able to have your own share of the $6.6 trillion transaction that occur in the Forex market every day. So thank you guys so much for watching to this particular point in time. Check the link below to be able to get Patrix Pro today before the price doubles, because every time you want to check, you see the price has gone up. But make sure you check the link below to be able to get Patrix Pro today. And if you are getting Patrix Pro today, just because you watched this video to the end, I want to give you guys a 10% discount. So use the code on your screen, Patrix 10 off. All right, Patrix 10 off, Patrix 10 off, and you'll be able to get 10% off any purchase you want. All right, so that is that for me today. Make sure you stay profitable, make sure you stay happy. Check this video, which was another video I made showing Patrix Pro making about $50,000 on a live account. Check this playlist, which are videos about Patrix Pro. Click here to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.